Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we're going to look at the stock Facebook, ticker symbol FB, and we're going to look at this stock whether it's a buy or a sell or hold at this price level. This stock now ran up now really nicely lately, then came under pressure. So we will look at the chart and see what's going on. My objective of this video is to now provide you as much as actionable information as possible in a short span of time. I like my information to be actionable so you can take it. You can not take it or leave it at the time, but you want to have now some kind of actionable information so that you can make some best decision on your trading investments. So without further ado, so let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the information is on recorded out there, so you can refer it whenever you want. Please now join our Facebook group and other social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not now forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be putting a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days, so you can get the alerts right away. Okay, as always, to do the level set, let's start with the website tracker. This stock is added to the tracker back in 825 when it was trading around $280 and 82 cents, and as of today it's closed around 266.61, and it's posting almost no 5% gain, 5% loss rather, and the stop loss is around no 258.35, so it's like almost no 3% like now there. So if it is price is below the 258.35 price level, it will get closed, but as of now I believe it's not going to happen, but let's see, anything happen. So I believe this stock is now offering entry point around this price level. So let's look at the chart and we can look at the profit loss projection table before a little bit later. Let's look at the chart and see what's going on, why this is a price level at this range, and see, now we can look at a couple of calls or puts depending upon the situation. So I added to the stock in this tracker around right here, but it looks like it gave up all the gains a little bit, so that is the reason it's posting losses. So I added it right over here. I thought the selling had bottomed out at the time, but the market came under pressure. So as of today, it's found support its 10-week moving average after a long time. So that is the reason I still believe this stock has some kind of strength, so it can rally from this point onwards. So even though it's posting 5% loss, hopefully the selling got bottom out and the stock can rally from here. So if you look at this week, Nasdaq almost found supported its 10-week moving average. It's closed a little bit below, but Dow Jones it found support of the 10-week moving average, and NYSE found support at the 10-week moving average, and S&P 500 found support at the moving average. Apple, Tesla, and AMD and so many leading growth stock now found support its 10-week moving average. So that is the reason I believe the selling got now bottomed out for the short term. So I believe this stock now rally from this point onwards. So the reason it's I'm still bullish on this stock is because it's found support its 10-week moving average on the weekly settings, which I follow. And here is your 15-week moving average, which is for the long-term trend, which is now it's trading well above this line. So I don't think so there is any issues here. So let's see how things plays out. So as we are a little bit bullish on this stock still, so let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So I'll be looking at November 270 or 280 call. I take it 280, but now if you want you can do 275. I don't go any above than that, so do not look at the October call. I don't think so the trend is going to settle up within the next few weeks, so you may run into time decay issue there. And the September call is a pure gamble. If you want to take a shot at it, that is up to you. But if I were you, I'll be looking at the November call, and the 10% or 5% run is reasonably achievable in next 6 to 8 weeks. So you want to give the room to run it and settle it, and there's going to be a pullback here and there. So by the time it's all getting settled, hopefully this calls will have no great run after that. So I'll be looking at anywhere between 30 to 40 or 50% run from here. So you can look at the November 275 call if you're very conservative, and you can go with the 280 if you're okay with it, but I don't go any above than that. So let's see how things plays out in coming weeks for this stock, and I will put you guys in any alert if something goes bad. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video. I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video so you can refer it whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day with the stock closing price and the performance, so we can measure it like day in and day out. And please check out all our social media sites. That's where we put our alerts. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days, so you can get the alerts right away. So I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great weekend, whatever is left.